Okay. What's up, y'all? So y'all know my name was I was gonna go up in the beginning, but it's dead. Well, I just blow up. I think I'm a hoverboard now. Y'all ready to see it? Y'all see it? Y'all want to I'm gonna go get it, okay? I'm going slow for a second. This is scary though. Why isn't it turning right? I'm gonna get off of it. Let me get back on it. What's up? So, I don't know what I have a war, right? Snap the ball. I'm just not getting my hoverboard. I love moving my legs, so it feels fun. I can't see my hoverboard. Snap. I'm gonna go get my pink hoverboard. Ow. I just can't imagine on hoverboard this whole time. But I'm about to go get my cousin hoverboard. I'll be back, y'all. Here it is. I love midnight, so. Like I can do this. I'm gonna go real fast. Oh no! It's how you gonna pull me off my cousin hoverboard? She gonna be mad at you. I'm trying to do that stuff when they be on here and they be. I can't do it. Y'all see that glowing? My hoverboard. I can't put that down, but that's on your head. Okay. I was snowboarding on a hoverboard this whole time. I was just, cause I don't even have a hoverboard. I'm gonna get one though. Next, I'm gonna when I get my hoverboard, I'm gonna put my phone right here. Put my phone where it's at right now. And I'm gonna open my door and I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna be running into everything. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna pick it up too. But I wasn't on the hoverboard this whole time. I was just kidding. No, it's scary. Okay, yeah. Oh, y'all know. My friend. Well, this girl, she hacked me. And made everybody think it was me, but it wasn't. This girl named, what's her name? Sarah. This girl, Sarah. And she hacked me and said, and on Instagram. She hacked me on something. I mean, she hacked me and made everybody think it was me. So I changed my password. And I ain't telling it to no one. Yeah, I'm gonna post this on YouTube probably. We in Little Rock right now. I'm at my stepdad's house. I got a big and they ain't there for me. They for my mommy. I got a big bag of Takis and they from my play mama. They for my play mama. Okay, I'm back. BRB. Move. You play too much. My cousin over here, he just scared to get in. Quit running when you know you always on you. You know you always trying to dance in front of people. He was just doing this, y'all. I mean, she. I call her he. She get on my nerves. You start calling her he. She was just doing this. And this my baby. Oh snap! Why you bring that thing up in here? That thing glow up and make it look like it's a hoverboard, but it ain't. Y'all wanna see me in light? Okay. I do not have lipstick on. What? Oh yeah, did I know? I don't have lipstick on this stuff. Yeah, I don't got lipstick on. It's just that thank you. It's just my light. I gotta laugh and live. I got live, love, laugh, but I can't find my live and love. So I'll catch you outside. How about that? See, he said, "I'll catch you outside." But that he got teeth right here. Like, ow! He got teeth right here. Right here. Here, right here. Right here, right here. I had a hoverboard. Well, my cousin had a hoverboard, but it broke. I used to ride it all the time. But I didn't really even get to go over there. Now, to be honest, this isn't my room. This is my mother's room. Now, I'm gonna start making more videos on YouTube and stuff. And y'all gonna and try to get me to 100 subscribers and more, and a lot of views and likes. Subscribe, push that subscribe button, and like it. Deuces.